Hello guys, welcome to VLSI Design Laboratory. So today we will learn how to install Magic in Ubuntu and how to install Tanner in Windows. First of all, I will tell you what are the steps to install Magic, and before that you have to install that Magic in Ubuntu download folder, and please install the Ubuntu in your laptop with a partition, or you can do one more thing. You can create a virtual Linux or virtual Ubuntu also. There you can install Magic. You can also install in Windows, but its process is quite complicated, so I will not suggest you to go for that. But if you can, then you can learn it from opencircuitdesign.com. There the steps have been given to install in Windows. I will suggest you to go for Ubuntu and then for Magic. On from opencircuitdesign.com you can download Magic, and from there you can learn everything about the Magic, how the installation process goes, how installation in Windows, what are the steps we have to do to install Magic. This Magic is basically a layout simulation software where we will construct a layout of PMOS, NMOS, CMOS like this inverter, so you can virtually see that how these ICs can be constructed, what are the layers, what are the different contacts. So here we start how to install Magic in Ubuntu. There are several steps. The first step is to download the Magic software from website opencircuitdesign.com/magic. So we will go to this website, and from here we will copy paste it, and as you can see from download section we can go and download this Magic 8.3.50 and save it to our PC, and this will be saved as Magic 8.3.50 in my download folder. As you can see, it is under my download folder, DOWNLOADS. D is capital. Okay, so save it in download folder, and its extension is .tgz. It is mainly a zip extension. So we have downloaded this, and it is completed, and now we can open the folder and we can see that we have the Magic 8.3.50.tgz file in my download folder. Now what we will do, we will go to terminals from here. Yeah, so in terminal we have to go for the Magic installation steps. So first step we have already completed, as you can see. So we will go to the second step, and we will install several files here which going to be useful in our Magic installation. So there are several files. First we will go for first one, sudo apt-get install m4. The file is m4, and it will ask for password, then it will retrieve the file. As you can see in my PC it is already installed m4 because I have done it earlier, so it already there. So it tells that m4 is already the newest version. So I will go for the next step where it is tcsh, and as you can see tchs is already the newest version. So all these files have been already installed in my PC till step number 6. So I will not do that again. So you guys have to install all these things first. So I will directly go to 7th number step, but you guys go one by one, okay, and install each and every file. These are very important files. You have to install it before installing Magic, otherwise your Magic won't run. It will create problems. So now I will go to step number 7, and by using step number 7 you can see this is CD downloads. In downloads the spelling will be exactly the download spelling, capital DOWNLOADS. This is my download download spelling, capital download. So there you have to use exact spelling, and my file is in downloads folder. That's why I am going to download folder in my command using terminal. Okay, so cd downloads, enter. Now as you can see, I have entered in my download folder. Now I will go for the next step, the install. Installation step. Now the step number 8. Which is TARXZF magic 8.3.50.tgz. This step will be used as to unzip the file, because .tgz is the compressed file. So we will unzip it using TARXZF command, and we will make it as a normal folder of magic 8.3.50. So we will type this, enter, and you can see in my folders that there is one magic 8.3.50 folder is created. You can see from here. So now we will switch to next step, and we will enter in my magic folder. So again we will repeat this step, cd magic 8.3.50, because inside that folder we will get an installation file which we have to install using this command. So we will get inside magic folder. Now we are inside magic folder, as you can see. So next step, we have to go for sudo apt-get install blt file we have to install. Okay, so there is some problem. It is apt-get. Okay, so we will do it again. apt get install blt, enter. Okay, so you can see blt is already the newest version in my PC, so it is already installed. So all these files, means step 7 to step 11, 12, 13, 14, all these files is already installed in my PC. So please don't, I am not going to repeat these steps, but you people have to do that. You have to install all these files. Okay, so I will directly switch to step number 15, which is /configure. So here you can see all these things have been installed. Using configure command we can see what are the files already been installed, which is x11, python 3, opengl, tcl, tk. These things already been installed. tcl, tk is most important thing, because using this tcl, tk you will install toolbar in magic. So now next step, apt install csh. So again the CHS is already installed in my PC. Then again I will go for sudo -configure. Same thing will appear, as you can see. Now we will go for make, sudo make. Now sudo make install. Now it is installed. Why we have done install, I already explained, because it is in magic folder installation file. So now we run the magic. As you can see, two pop-up windows appeared. One is of layout and one is of console. From layout we can draw the layout, and in console we can give command using different command. We can do anything we can do using console also. So here in layout, this pop-up window is on minimum. This is not full. So we will try to construct the layers in full. Okay, so this won't help. What we have to do again, there are minimum toolbars also. We will cut this, we will close this one, and we will come out of magic, and again we will type magic -t space SCMOS, CMOS layout. So here you can see this is a CMOS layout, and you can see the toolbar. This is full toolbars. Okay, this toolbar has different layers, different contacts, which we are going to use in our construction. This is N transistor, this is metal 1, high voltage diffusion, P diffusion, N diffusion. This type of things we will use in construction of PMOS, CMOS, inverter, anything, as you have learned in your classes, theory classes. So this is the layout window where we will do the construction work. Okay, so our magic installation is completed. We have already installed magic in Ubuntu. This is what magic is, and this is where we are going to work. The next thing is how you will run again magic. Okay, so again you have to go to download folder in your terminal and using CD downloads. Then again you have to go to the magic folder using command cd magic 8.3.50. Now for running magic you have to go to magic/t space scmos to run the magic. This is how you can do it again and again whenever you have to run the magic. Now comes the IRSIM. So IRSIM is a separate file where you have to install the IRSIM by downloading it from same opencircuitdesign.com, same website. My version is 9.7.104. Your version might be different. It might be the latest one. So you can download it from the opencircuitdesign.com. There you will get IRSIM, and your IRSIM will be downloaded in same download folder, and you have to repeat the process again. As you can see, I have IRSIM folder here. You can see .tgz file IRSIM in downloads folder. So again we have to repeat the step. Okay, go to CD downloads, then unzip this IRSIM file. Then again fourth step is to go to IRSIM folder. These things we have already done in magic installation. The same thing we will do in this. Then again sudo./configure. So same thing we have to repeat for IRSIM. Everything will be inside IRSIM folder. Why we use IRSIM? We use IRSIM because we have to convert this magic file, what we have already constructed. Assume that I have constructed a magic layout of CMOS. Then we have to convert this magic file to sim file, and then only we can see the output. We can observe the waveform. That's why we use IRSIM, and it only can be used with magic. We don't have to run IRSIM separately. Whenever we will run magic, then only we will use IRSIM using our console window of magic. So you just have to install IRSIM and you don't have to run. Okay, just install it, don't run it, and we will run it when we will do the construction of layouts. So this is the end of your installation. This is how we will install magic, and you can see that I have written it here, so you don't have to run IRSIM separately. And I will give you this magic installation document. I will give it in your Google Classroom. From there you can download it, that how to install magic step-by-step process is there. Okay.